Once there was a snowman.
We're doing our snowman painting. So I want you can decide if you want yours to go across or up and down. So I'm going to start, and you can kind of decide how you want yours to be. I'm going to do the ground. Now the example one has some different colors, some bright colors, so that's what I'm going to do. But if you don't want yours to be bright colors, if you want it to look more realistic, that's totally fine. You can leave it white for the snow, or you could do green grass. Now I'm gonna, every time I switch colors, I have to rinse my brush and wipe every time. I don't want to get a lot of paint on my brush. It makes the paint too watery. Now the sample one, what they did, they have kind of some northern lights. And you also want to paint, I should mention, you can paint the sides of yours as well. So if you want to go for the bright look, you can follow along with this. If not, you can do whatever colors you want. Some yellow here. This is kind of like, I said, a little bit like northern lights, a little bit like the sunset. What I did here, if I start up with the green, I kind of go down into the yellow, and that blends it a little bit. That's a little bit more, so we don't have stripes, it blends more. I'm going to add my snowman and my trees on top. So I'm going to switch to using my little brush. Swish, 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 wipe. And now because they did crazy color backgrounds, in the sample one, they did kind of some realistic color trees, but I'm going to let you decide. I'm going to kind of do these kind of like upside down V's to make the tree. Now the other thing is with this paint, you have to go over it several times because you can see the other paint shows through, and that's fine. I'm going to come back to that. Other color trees. Now remember, the farther away something is, the smaller it gets. We talked about that earlier. To do my snowman. Now you can do more than one snowman. You could do a big snowman, you could do a little snowman, you can decide.
You were small, now you're just coal and some sticks. And a hat.
Thing a little more advanced, what we're going to do is make that snowman look a little bit more three-dimensional, because three-dimensional is something that stands on its own. So it's going to be like if the light is coming from this side, my shadow would be on this side. You don't have to do this. This is a little bit more advanced, but just to show you, try to make it look more three-dimensional.
Goodbye, snowman, my old friend. The sun has melted you again.
I feel cold, 'cause I'm making a snowman. I feel cold, 'cause I'm building a snowman. What's down? Not small, and now he is gone. I slipped.
1, 2, 3. Hombre de nieve, ya no puede caminar, porque fue alto y chaparrito.
And finally, you may want to add, if it's for winter, you may want to add some swirls, like it's windy, or some dots for snow, or you could do like on the tree here, like it snowed on the tree a little bit. You can add whatever you want. Have fun.